गोवा देशातील पहिले असे राज्य ठरणार आहे जिथे नागरिकांना घरच्या घरी आरोग्य सेवा उपलब्ध करून देण्यासाठी स्टेट केअर कार्यक्रम सुरू करण्यात येणार आहे। आरोग्य मंत्री विश्वजित राणे यांनी या उपक्रमाची घोषणा केली आहे।
Today, present among us is my leader and Union Minister for State, Shri Shripad Naik ji. Present here is Dean Goa Medical College, Madam Chaturvedi, Regional Director, NTPC, Director Health Services, Joint Secretary Health and Finance, Shri Bhatt, Kedar, Raikar, Dr. Yuri, and all the other dignitaries present here, members of our team, and everyone present here today. Actually, it is something very important for us, this initiative, and Goa Medical College is something which is very close to my heart. And these type of initiatives, and with the support today with Mr. Shripad Naik's initiative, he is consistently being supporting all our initiatives and also our cardiac ambulances. And I just want to share with you that cardiac ambulances doesn't exist anywhere else in the country. We ourselves came out that we want to have these type of ambulances so that we are able to have advanced cardiac care facilities. And member who helped us in starting our program called STEMI after the cardiac ambulances is Dr. Guru Prasad, who is present here with us, who just returned back from America. And this was something which was very important, and no other state. STEMI, actually, when you go to the Government of India NHM manual, they say it's a STEMI program is like they say that the online of the Goa model, which is very great moment for all of us. Today, I don't want to say much. I just want to thank Mr. Shripad Naik for having our Honorable Union Minister for having always supported the initiative of 108. Life-saving initiative is something very important, and reducing time for response is something which is very important to all of us. And also having advanced, we also in the state of Goa, we have neonatal ambulances, we have several other screening programs, and also these type of ambulances, when we have it and we have someone like him who's also committed to the healthcare of the state, I think it becomes much more easier for us to put our point of view across. And even without telling him, he's always at it, trying to see what best we can do to strengthen the health services in the state of Goa, trying to see that we are able to get the best ambulance setup. If we say that we want 100 ambulances, our Joint Secretary Finance will tell you, I've been consistently, early morning I get up, first message goes to him, telling him like, no, please help me with this, please help me with that. It's not because of that, it's because we care for the people of the state of Goa. And we in Goa are a very small community, and we are a community, like you mentioned, that you know everybody. In last 16 years, I think we know everybody. We grow up and they also progress in life. We also grow, but we know each one by name. We know each one, their commitment to the healthcare. I would like to not say much today, but today the healthcare in the state of Goa is on a very progressive path. There are several other initiatives which we are taking forward, and also State Cares is one of the programs which I have consistently been saying. State Cares, sometimes, तुझे नाव कहते हैं रूपा? No, main our director health services. Today afternoon also we are going to another place, and we are just trying to see how we can enhance the state cares program. It's also going to be something like where we have these ambulances, and Mr. Bhatt were discussing our health services and everybody, where we are reaching out with facilities to the doorstep of the people, whether it is physiotherapy, palliative care, geriatric care, stroke patients, so that we have an ambulance just like 108, and we are able to go to the homes of those people and see. And we have got a former director of health service who we want to put ahead of this program, so that we are able to reach. Also, the media is here. You have to understand many other issues then which are not troubling my mind. The other issues that are troubling my mind is what we can do for the state of Goa. Easy for us that we have somebody, it's like a godfather to all of us, that we even without saying anything, he gives it to us. What I wanted to say is that when we have these programs like State Cares, when we reach out to the people at home, where we have dialysis patients, we have a drop back facility for the dialysis patients, whether we have patients like, we have cancer and chemotherapy patients. So that is called the State Care. Still today, nobody has actually, deciphered the whole thing, what I'm trying to do on State Cares, and our state is very small. And if we are able to map the population, तुम्ही सगळे पत्रकार भाव बसल्या, श्रीमंताचो श्रीमंत मनीस जर असल्यार तेज्या घरा जर तेका वेळ ना तो आई कडेन पळोवंक शकना. हांवें पणजे बी पळयल्ले आसा काही लोकांक ते मागीर कपडो बिपडो घेवन जाणटे लोक मागीर ते धडपडटात घरान की बाबा कोण आपल्याक पळोवपाक नासता. मिस्टर श्रीपाद नायक सांगतले तुमकां ते प्रचार खूब केला घरोघरी. म्हाका दिसता नॉर्थ गोवा तांकां अशें आमी एस्ट्रॉलॉजर कशे वयता तो मागीर आमी हातीर पळयतात न्ही लायन कशें ताका आपले पूर्ण मतदारसंघ आनी गोंयभर तो सगळे कडेन भोंवले व्यक्तिमत्व. आनी ह्याच तरेन आमकां लोकांची चिंता आहा. ह्याच तरेन आमकां कितें तरी वेगळें करपाक जाय. When we talk of healthcare, it is taking it to the last milestone as the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji, who says that you must take healthcare to the doorstep of the people. By just giving long speeches, it's not going to help us. It's important for us to encompass everybody and every strata of society to see that they come covered into this program of state cares. Very important. Many times people require chemotherapy, they cannot reach the spot where they need to take chemotherapy. There are many dialysis patients, people don't have the time to take their relatives to do the dialysis. So this state cares is something which will be one of the most innovative programs, and Goa will be the first state in the country to actually flag it off. And let me tell you, madam, is that when we have leaders like Mr. Shripad Naik, he is a very simple person. You will not, if you go to other states, you will wander with 10, 12 cars, you will see everybody coming with paraphernalia, actually seeing that, when our leader doesn't move like that. You don't even know where he is moving. Suddenly I cross him in the middle. I ask who's gone in this car. Then they say, okay, Mr. Shripad Naik has just passed. Because he goes to every strata, goes to every person and sees what is, and he's well experienced and a person who's very close to me, my family. And something which you need to learn from him is simplicity and commitment to the people of the state of Goa. And having a leader like this at the helm will definitely help the people of the state of Goa. हाय पब्लिकली तुमच्या सगळ्यांक घातलें एक स्टेटमेंट आतां केलो तुमी ते आतां विचार करत बसा तुमी कितें केलां तें. आनी बाकीचे प्रश्न विचारपाचे पयलीं तुमी बाकीचे हांव गुप्त नवरात्री आतां बेगीन येवपाचें ते गुप्त स्टेटमेंट कितें काडटा तेजेर लक्ष दियात. मेन म्हणजे ह्या तरेचें नेतृत्व असल्यार तो मागीर गरीब लोकांक सांबाळूंक शकता. गरीब जनतेक योग्य तरेचे बेश्टे मंत्री जालो म्हणून जायना. त्यांनी स्वताच्या जिवनान जे अनुभव घेतल्या, स्वताच्या जिवनान जे घटना घडल्या ते आनी तेजे कमिटमेंट गोंयचे जनते खातीर फर्म केल्ले आसात. आनी म्हाका दिसता की त्या तरेचे नेतृत्वाचे मार्गदर्शन आमकां गावल्यार खुबशा बऱ्या गोश्टी आमी करूं शकतले. I would like to thank you on this occasion that on the initiative of Mr. Shripad Naik ji, NTPC has taken a leap in trying to see that we are able to do good service to the people of the state of Goa, and definitely this initiative is going to help the 108 strengthen its life-saving initiative. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you.